Hey everyone, my name is Megan and this is Painted and Distressed. This video is part of my Christmas series. And today I have a fun video. If you have some last minute Christmas gifts that you aren't sure what to give certain people, stick around. I hope you enjoy. This first project, I am actually taking this candy jar from Dollar Tree and I am going to give it a couple coats of my antique green folk art chalk paint. And I'm actually making this for my daughter's school, or for her teacher for the classroom. I made one for Halloween as well and she loved it so much she wanted one for Christmas. And these things are ginormous. They hold a lot of candy or whatever else you want to put in them. And then for the lid, I'm just going to give it a couple coats of the Waverly Crimson Chalk Paint. And this is just to note, this is the second one I had to make because the first one I was impatient and used my heat gun and melted it. And I was so afraid I wasn't going to be able to find another one. I got lucky and I was able to find one. So on each side, I took my Cricut and I just cut out some of designs that Cricut Design Space had and applied it very crooked on that side and had to recut it and do it over again. And then this one, luckily I put it on correctly. And then on the handle, I'm just going to put a little sparkly ornament. And then just this mini wreath that I had from Michael's, I just kind of cut it down a little bit to size, added my own bow to it to go around on the knob, and this is how it turned out. Oh, I actually changed the knob to gold. This next project, I am making this for a friend who I believe saw it on Pinterest and she wanted it for her mother. And so I'm just taking 3 of these wood planks from Dollar Tree and some assortment of scrapbook paper, and I'm just going to attach the scrapbook paper to the front of the planks. Then I just took an assortment of some velvet ribbons and attached them onto the front of the planks to represent presents. And then I just hot glued the 3 planks together and then just attached them to the bottom of a crate from Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to add some greenery. These are just some stems from Dollar Tree, and then I just had some leftover greenery in my stash and I'm just going to hot glue that on there. And then I rolled together a couple logs also from Dollar Tree with some twine to give it kind of like a little bit of a rustic look. And then I also had these little plastic deer from Hobby Lobby, and I hot glued those to the front as well. I love how this turned out, and I wish that I got to keep it for my own house because I think this is so cute. This next project, I am going to take a pool noodle and I'm going to cut it down to size that I want. And you know what? I used a from Dollar Tree, they call it a pool noodle knife, and wow, it worked really good. It made it super easy to cut. And then I'm just gonna wrap it with some garland from Dollar Tree. Now this is where I wish I would have wrapped 2 to make it thicker and a lot more full, because I feel like it's not full enough. And then I just take some of my white chalk paint and then I whitewash all of the greenery just to kind of give it a little snowy look. And then I took the tops off of the ornaments and then I just start hot gluing them to random areas all over the garland. And the person I made this one for, they have a lot of reds and silvers in their Christmas decor, and so that's the colors that I chose to go as a centerpiece on their Christmas dining table. And I am just using a variety of big ornaments and the medium-sized ones as well, just to kind of give a little bit definition. And I made some curlicues out of pipe cleaner, but I ended up taking those out, but I think I should have left those in. And I also added some pine cones, and then I did added together the 3 little logs and then just hot glued those all around it as well. And then I added some extra greenery just to give it a little bit more fullness, and this is how it turned out. It definitely should have been bigger. Live and learn. I will do better next time. And this next project is for a friend that has gingerbread all in her house or in her kitchen. And so she has a daughter and a son, and then a husband, of course. And so I'm just taking these gingerbread wood cutouts I got from Oriental Trading, and I'm just going to paint them using my nutmeg brown paint. And I'm also going to paint the Happy Holidays as well. Actually, this is not nutmeg brown. This is territorial beige. I'm so sorry. From Apple Barrel. And then for all of the dots around the Happy Holidays sign, I'm just going to, first I add some white puff paint into all of the dots. And then I'm going to take some puff paint, and I'm giving one of the girl Gingerbread a little dress. And then the other girl, I'm going to give her a little red dress. And then, of course, some white squigglies for the boys. And I'm giving him a weird haircut. And then this one, I went a little bit tamer with his hair. And then I'm just taking a glitter glue pin, and then I'm just going over top of all of those white dots to really bring out the silver and glitter. And then I went around the girls' dresses with some silver glitter glue, and I also gave the little boy with the weird hair, I made it look like he has little like earmuffs on. And I gave her some green sparkle and then some red sparkles. And then now I'm just going to attach it to a baking pan from Dollar Tree. And then I'm just adding some little fake candies as well. And then I had these little tiny gingerbreads. They're so cute. And those are also from Hobby Lobby. And I think this just turned out so cute and a perfect addition for gingerbread lovers. And then to hang it, I just used some Dollar Tree gingham red and white ribbon and some extra masking tape just to make sure it didn't fall off. And I would love to know in the comments down below which one is your favorite project that we made today. If you haven't done so already, I would love it if you would click subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I have one more Christmas video coming out this week that is probably my favorite that I have made, and you want to make sure you don't miss out on that. And until next time, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.